Hi everyone. Up to now, we are working on only arrays data structure. Today, we will discuss about a linked list data structure, a brand new data structure. As the name itself saying, there is a list. That is, there is a list of what objects containing anything, whether it's integers, char, strings, etc. Now, let's take another word. What is a link? See, if you observe in the name linked list, the list it is an collection of objects. But what is a link? The link means that we will discuss now. If you are not watch oops concepts in Java, please check in the cards. Here it is all about how we deal with the object and class, and mainly non-primitive user defined class data type. No, let's take main class. This is a main class, and let's take the main method. This is the main method. Now I have created the one class, user defined class node, and I have taken the attribute int value and have created the objects of that the class, object 1, object 2, object 3, and I have taken the values in that. Suppose object 1 dot value 10, object 2 dot value 40, object 3 dot value 30. No, here if I print that, you can get this 10, 40, 30. So this is the list of objects, that objects containing integers. You can take whether integers or float or cat boolean, anything you can take. So we have understood what is list. Now let understood what is linked. So your linked means now, uh, observe here, I am taking user defined class data type variable, that is node, uh, variable name nest. No, here what is meaning by node nest is, node is a class data type node, but nest is a variable. Actually it is having no memory. It is its default value is null. But for example, the value of your object 1, it can be the address 1024. The object 2, the address can be 1028. For object 3, the address can be 1032. Like that we can take for our understanding. So same here. Now what I will do, going to do, object 1 dot nest is equal to, now observe, object 1 dot value means your value is a int, so we are taking as int and assigning. Same like your nest is a class data type object, so we should give some object data type. Suppose object 2. So this is how I'm linking object 1 to object 2. Now object 1 address is 10 uh, 1028. At starting, the object 1 address is 1024, but I'm object 1 dot nest, that is I'm giving object 2 address. Now object 1 is nothing but object 2 address. And now similarly, I can do for object. I will link object 2 to object 3. This object 2 dot nest is equal to object 3. Now object 2 address initially it is 1028, but now it is 1032. And similarly, I can do object 3 dot nest is equal to null. Actually object 3 dot nest means here we need not mention null, but it automatically will comes null. Now I will, you will understand now what is meaning by linked. So I will take while before that I will store node temp equals to object 1 in temp. Now I will do while uh, temp is not equals to null. So that means first the first we will take object 1, we will print a 10, object 1 dot value. Then we will shift to 40. that is 40 is in object 2. So we will do temp equals to temp dot nest. That is now the temp is object 1, but temp equals temp dot nest. You are shifting from object 1 to object 2 address. So again the loop, the temp is not equals to null, so it will print object 240. Then again the 30 will come. So 30, the object 3 is not null, so it will print 30 value. But after the object 3 dot nest, it's default null, so it will come out of the loop. I will run this. So I will take here instead of print ln print. It's default null, so it will come out of the loop. I will run this. So here it is. First, the temp will be 1024. So we will print a temp dot value, that is 10. Then uh, uh, it will goes to object 1 to object 2, that is 1028. Let's suppose these actually my assumptions of taking address. So like this, you can pause the video and check the code. This is about the construction of a linked list. Now, we will discuss inserting and a node at the beginning of the linked list. Nothing but if you take the elements uh, 10, 40, 30, first I will add 30 element, then I will add 40 at the beginning, and then I will add 10 element at the beginning. So for that, first I will take node head, nothing but it is the global variable in the class main, and it is we are not creating any memory, so it is null. So in the main method, we will take main list and one object that is equal to new main. Now I will write the function add. So I will write public void add first, and I will pass values uh, into value that is equal to. Now how I'm going to do is, first I will create one new node, that is every time node new node equal to new. So have created one new node. Suppose that address can be 1024. Now I will insert in that new node value, that is new node dot value equals to, I will insert first 30. Now I will do that new node dot nest. That is I will connect that new node to head, that is new node dot nest equals to head. So starting the head is null. Now I will simply take the head equals to new node. So here what it means, I will demonstrate you by giving the values in it. So list dot, I will call the function with the list object, and I will pass the value first 30. Will take value. So then 40 and 10, list dot add first, then at the beginning I will add 40, then list dot add first, at the beginning I will add 10. Now Let's try to understand the mechanism here. So the 30 will pass, the parameter will pass to here, so the value is 30. So next I'm creating the new node, that is new node 1024, and the new node dot value, that is in the first it will store 10. Then new node dot nest is equals to head, that is the 30, the next thing, obviously it is null, so it is okay. Then I'm taking lags head equals to new node, that is in the head. Now it is not null, it is 1024 value. So you can simply print, right, in the 1024 value we have the value 30. So head dot value, you will get 30. So let's move. I'm adding now 40, so 40 will come, and then again I will create a new node, that's 2024, and 2024 I will add 40 value. And now I'm linking like that. The 2024 dot nest is equal to head, that is in the head I'm 1024. So if you do 2024 dot nest, it will comes to 1024, like that I'm linking. And head equals to new node, that is what is the new node, the 2024. So new node is 2024. You should understand that 2024 next it is 1024. Now adding again 10, again new node address 3024. So in the 3024 address we have the 10, and again 3024 I'm linking to 2024 head. And again I will make now head is 30. Actually these addresses are my assumption for basic understanding. So this is how the list of objects that is a linked. In 1024 we have 30, in 2024 address we have 40, and 3024 with 10, that is head now is 3024. Okay, let's now print it. Public we already discussed how will print. We will simply take first the temp, so that the chain will not disturb head. So head is now 3024. Now while uh, temp is not equals to null, uh, we will do temp dot data, that is temp dot value, and then we will move to the next node, temp equals to temp dot nest. Yeah. So you can pause the video and check the codes. Now I will run that list dot uh, and run as. So uh, I will give, instead of println and this, so for more understanding. So 10 40 30 we have printed. So how it happens means, first node temp, so in the node we have taken the 3024. Then while temp is not equals to null, that is 3024, it has some address and not equal. So I'm printing temp dot, so temp is head, so head dot value first it is 10, because 3024 we are added, we're adding at the starting. uh, and then temp equals to temp dot nest, that is head dot nest, it is linked to 2024 address something, that is which we have the 40. And then it is again we will go to the nest, that's 2024, the address can be uh, value there is 30. So this is the linked list, the list of objects which are linked like this. Actually the application is, if you observe in the playlist, you listen songs, right? So if you go to the next song, you can also come to the previous song, like that. Actually, you can link to the next one. You can link to the previous one also. I mean, you can link uh, first the object one to object two, and also you can link the like object to object to two to object one. That is doubly linked list. If you link the last one to again the first one, it is circular linked list. Now, now let's discuss on how to insert and node an element at the end of the linked list. That is, for example, take these elements, uh, 10, 40 and 30. You first add, you will add 10, then you will add 40, then you will add 30 at the end of the linked list. Just pause the video and observe the code. And one more thing is, you need not the panic for constructing every time this every the code, because we have the Java collections linked list. We can use the inbuilt methods, and we can simply use the that inbuilt methods, add at start, or add at end, like everything. So first let's understand how to build from the scratch. So I'm adding the 10. 10 will goes to add lost function. So first the 10 will come, you will create new node, that is for starting the head will be null. So you will create the new node, for example, that is 1024, and your new node dot value. So in the 1024 you will add this 10 element, then a new node not nest equal to null. So you are just the nest is null. So if head is equals to null, yeah, starting it is null, so new node equals to head. So in the head, you have 1024 address. Then so if you pass, and so now the lines will over. Now we will add add lost 40. So again, 40 will come. I will, it is 2024 address, will create new object. So now in the 2024 there will be, will add a 40 value now. But if now if head equals null, no, it is not null, it's 1024. Then we are doing the node, not last node equals to head. That is here the last node, last node the address is 1024. We are giving the head object to last node 1024. So while last node dot nest not equal to null, that is 1024 dot nest is actually null, so it won't execute. Now last node not nest equals to new node, that is what it means. 1024 we have address, so that is linked to new node, that is 2024. So 1024 is linked to 2024. There is 1024 we have 10, 2024 address object side we have 40. So that is how. Then we will again add 30. So 30 this time it is 3024. And here node last node it is now the head, head is always 1024, the head starting 10 only. Now while last node not nest is not equals to null, that is 1024, the nest is actually not equals to null. Yeah, it's correct. So last node dot nest equals to, so here what will happens, 1024 to it will shift to 2024 address. So last node dot nest equals to, that is we're linking 2024 to 3024. That is how we link to 2024 to 30 3024 address. So that means just print it, you will take temp not to disturb the chain. So temp not equals to null. First temp dot value 1024 we have 10, then next it will goes to head dot nest, that is 2024 address we have 40. Then again temp dot nest, that is 3024, it will goes to here head, head dot nest, head dot nest nest. So 10 will print, 40 will print, and 30 will be print. So this is about adding the elements at the end of the linked list. Now we will discuss on how to delete element from the list. So here what it means, delete. Let's discuss by understanding with the code. So now I'm going to delete 10. We have 10, 40, 30. I will delete the 10, so it will be 40, 30. So how it happens, let's see. List dot delete of 10. So I'm deleting the element 10, so it will go to the code delete. So we have the uh, key should be deleted is a 10. It is starting, we have 10, 40, 30. Now if head dot key is equal to key, that is 10, we have head, right? 10 some address, so that is equals to key means that is 10 means head equals to head dot nest, that is head uh, startingly what is head starting, it is 1024. So 1024 will shift to, so 1024 will shift to uh, head dot nest 2024, that is it will start printing from 40 onwards. Okay, let's understand is not 10. Let's understand delete 20. Let's see how it works. Okay, uh 20 is not there, so 40. Now it's showing 10, 30, that is 40 element is deleted. So what we are going to do, 40, uh here 40 will come, then head dot key is equals to key, that is 10, head is not 40, this operation won't occurs. Now else not temp equals to head, this is a head, we will have 1024. Then temp dot nest, it is not equals to null, that is head dot nest 2024, it is not equals to null, yeah it will goes. So if temp dot nest dot value, that is in 2024 we have 40, so it will take key uh, 40 matches. So temp dot nest equals, so here what's happening, temp dot nest 2024 it is replaced with 3024. About how it works, and it will break out of the statement, and we'll get 10 after, I mean here deleting means we are simply the link, whatever the link we are connecting. For example, if you want to delete the 2024 address, we're linking 1024 to 3024. It is how it works in deleting. Now we will discuss search operation in linked list. So search means it's pretty simple. There is, for example, 10, 40, 30, we have the elements. Now if you want to search element that is if you want to search element 40, so 40 is there, so element can will be found. If you want to search the element which is not present, then it will show not found. So let's search element uh, 30, and let's see how it mechanism will works. So if the element 30 is present, then this condition will true, it will return the true statement. So let's discuss here. We have elements 10, 40, 30. Now I'm searching whether 30 is there or not. So first I'm storing the head in temp, that is here it is 1024 address. Now while temp is not equals to null, that is we will check one by one. So if temp dot key, that is first 1024 the value 10, so it is not equals, so we will do now it will move to the right side 2024, and again the loop, it is not equals to null. So and 2024 40, it is not equals to our sexual element 30, so it will again moves from 2024 to 3024. Then 3024 it is not equals to null, and the tempo dot value in the 3024 we have 30, so it will return true. So this is how search operation works in uh, linked list.